There you go, keep going.
Oh, man. So, you dropped the board in the swamp. This is sulfuric acid. So, you now have one arm.
Oh! Okay, will you come back?
No. If we get... Do it here.
I went ahead, got handed the plank, and unfortunately, I lost my left arm.
Get off the board.
All right. Oh, man, we got... Unfortunately, grab this end. Yeah. Grab this end. The magic of the swamp has fused you two together. You are now one person.
That is going to be difficult.
Thanks. Me and Jack dropped the plank of wood, and so we were then had our hands like tied together with a handkerchief.
Yeah, then I suppose we were a tad bit more cautious then, like.
Move that. Move the board on this. Oh, yeah, okay, that's fully on. That's fully on it.
Okay, so crossing a sulfuric acid swamp with planks of wood is really hard. I think the best way to get across safely is to work as a team in this team-building challenge.
Closer together, closer together, closer together.
Once we really kind of found a method that worked, it was really good, and we went slow so that we could communicate as we did things.
This is going so well.
For the fun of it.
Oh, Sinead, don't drop a plank into the sulfuric acid swamp.
Drop it down into the swamp. The swamp water just splashes up into your face.
Oh, no.
Okay, it's fine. The swamp
Oh,
water splashes up into your eyes.